Okay, this time I'm going to make pineapple beer with a base of just an ale. Not a lot of, I should probably use a stronger ale with bitter hops, like an Indian pale ale. But nonetheless, this will do fine. And I should actually have done the pumpkin brew like I made last time. What I did was I pureed the pumpkin, and it fell to the bottom, of course, with the appropriate spices, with pumpkin spices, and I'll show you some of them. The pumpkin spices I used are right here, the pumpkin spice, the ginger, and things like the cloves, and whatever I have here, a bit of allspice and whatnot. Anyway, I didn't tape that one. I should have. So we'll do this time. Okay, pineapple beer, the real thing, made with Cooper's Real Ale. Okay, I'll explain it later. Bye. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is make the one Cooper's Real Ale a bit stronger tasting than a light beer. And where I get it is right here. Randy's the guy, and he's in Brampton. Fantastic store, really colorful. Lots and lots of supplies for beer and wine. Best in the GTA. There are some others, but they tend to come and go. They close. Yeah, he's pretty consistent, and it's easy to find just off the 410 on Dairy, about 2 blocks east on Steeles. Not Dairy, Steeles. 2 blocks east on Steeles from the 410 on the south side. Ciao. So the first part we do is the same as every other beer. We boil 2 liters of water and pour in the concentrate of Cooper's. And the last thing, once it's done, like about now, it was boiling, we then put in the sugar in one shot and stir it to dissolve. So that's what I'll do. And then I'll see you after that. So I'm going to pour in this much dextros, 2 kilos, which is plenty enough to make for a good beer, if you know what I mean. And go from there. Talk to you. Now, you know from my other videos that I do it in the washroom because it's less messy. And each of these 4 containers have the exact same amount of water. It's just tap water, because I'm that kind of a guy. And it's all the same. You only rent beer anyway. You don't buy it. You rent it. And then I'm going to put in a quarter of this into each of the containers. That's my beer wort. And then I'll talk to you soon about that. Okay, so now we've poured the wort into the bottle that each had about 2 liters of water, or 3 liters of water in it. Now we're going to try and do the same we're going to go back to the kitchen and make the pineapple to go in there. Okay, ciao. Okay, so this is 3 of the pineapples that I pureed in my little puree machine. And a little, there it is, a little Wurlitzer thing, a sunbeam. And then I've got it here. And I'm going to add this to the wort and then fill the rest with water. And I'll show you that in a few minutes when I've got that done. Okay, so I only actually used 3 pineapples, and I put in 2 liters of water, so there's a lot of volume there. I may not have to top off with very much water beyond what's already in there, which is only 2 liters anyway. So we'll go from there. See what I can do. Okay, I know where I wanted to end up on the level here to be about 25 liters. It is about there, about right about there. Okay, talk to you. And here is the pumpkin bread I made from the dregs of the beer last time. So I'll do the same thing with the pineapple bread later. But right now, this is what I got. And trust me, it's quite spicy with the pumpkin spice and all the rest. The cloves. It's tasty as crazy. But I'm old, 62. So my taste buds are shot. And I need extra spices to make things tasty. Kids don't. That's why you add sugar to your coffee, because it makes it more palatable. I don't add any sugar to my coffee. I have my coffee black because that tastes fine to me. All my taste buds are killed off. I'm 62, and yours will be too. That's why beer goes from the lighter ones, the ales, the lagers, to the dark lagers, to the stouts. As you age, as you get older, you get stronger and more full beers, because you can't taste them as you get older. You can't taste the subtle tastes involved with certain ales, like a very light ale. Okay, ciao.